What's up guys, welcome back to Vlogmas day 13. I think it's 13. It's December 14th, Friday, and we are so close. I know I keep saying we're so close to baby's birthday party, but we are. Like, it's tomorrow and I'm so freaking excited already. I told you guys in yesterday's vlog that I was gonna try to do something different with my hair so that I could wear it like this for her party tomorrow. Like, my makeup and everything is gonna look like this. I just wanted to try it before I actually had to do it, in case I ended up looking like a poodle. Like, I would know that it wasn't gonna work. I really like it, and I posted a picture on Snapchat and Instagram, and you guys keep giving me compliments and you guys make me feel so good. The only thing I used was a crimper. I'll show you guys. I think I got it at Walmart, that crimper. I've had it for years. I really like the way that it made my hair. It just looks so pretty. Perfect for short hair. Right now we're in Laredo. We are getting Grecia's food. We're like ordering it for tomorrow. So tomorrow we just have to come and pick it up. We're buying literally last minute things for her party because it's the day before her party. So we still have to get the drinks. I brought my list because if I didn't write it down I was gonna forget. And I think that's about it. I'm just going to vlog throughout the day. We just finished eating dinner right now. Grecia threw the biggest fit because she wanted ice cream. And this sun is just not giving it to me right now. But hi. Tell them how much you cried. Hey, copyright. As soon as we got there, she saw that every little girl in there had a milkshake and she didn't have one. So we wanted her to eat, but she didn't even want, she wanted nothing to do with her food. And now we're gonna go to Sam's, get the rest of this stuff, and then I have to go home and bake 50 cupcakes and a whole cake. It is 9:31 and we just got home maybe like half an hour ago, so maybe like at 9. I already took off my lashes, my lipstick is coming off, but we got home super late and I'm baking her cake right now. I just have the first box in. I'm doing the second. I think I'm gonna put like 4 boxes of cake mix in that cake pan. And each one I'm gonna dye a different color. So the next color I do is probably gonna be blue. So I'm gonna pour that in right now. With the red and the orange. And I'm just gonna keep layering it, and then with a toothpick I'm just going to swirl them in so that the colors can like mix within each other. What are you doing? I'm not putting this video.
You have to put this in there.
No.
It's epic failure.
It's real life.
Real life. This is what happens in real life.
It's still spilling.
Fucked up the cake.
This is what happens in real life. Not everything comes out perfect.
Monday, man. What
Okay, who's
happened?
gonna be the brave one to take it out?
Es que le echaste mucho de ese betterment. You should have just put half of it and then made another one and just put it on top of that one. Should have made 2.
See how it's jiggling? Are you burning yourself?
Hi.
Are you burning yourself?
What am I putting in?
Oh, my favorite is gone.
Okay, now I'm burning
Okay,
myself.
okay.
Ah, shit, este pedo.
Te está quemando el pinche pan.
That's what smells the back door.
Quítalo.
Se me quemó. Vas a acabar.
Hey. What?
Explain what happened.
I'm gonna cry. Take it out of my face.
Explain what happened.
Babe, I'm gonna cry.
Why are you gonna cry? Shit happens.
Because I'm supposed to be.
Shit happens. It happens in real life. Not everything goes the way it's supposed to go.
You're supposed to be what?
I'm supposed to bake her cakes.
You are baking cake.
But I messed it up.
Tíralo a chingar su madre. Y haces otro.
That's what I said.
I don't have any more cake mix. And it's friggin' 11 o'clock at night.
Walmart is open 24 hours a day, bro.
No. That's my booger napkin. You see me all week blow my nose with that thing.
Brinda por esa persona de vez en cuando, visítala donde descansa, cuida a los que le quedan vivos, pero vive normal. ¿Por qué? Yo no sé qué privilegios tengas, pero si crees en la vida después de la muerte, imagínate que esa persona se entera que tú estás triste y te va a llorar. Déjalo que viva su segunda clase. Tú vive la máxima
Do
Si se te cae, morir.
Si todos lo hacíamos juntas, todos los martes íbamos al mercadito, todos los jueves al bingo, todos los domingos a misa. Entonces, en la otra parte de la corazón, sin mi alma gemela, se le chingar mis hermanos. Y me sentí muy incómodo. Y se le salió, hombre. Pero que sigan decirle yo, ay, pues, o sea, que te falta, ¿no?
Hey guys, good morning. It's the next day already, and I didn't finish vlogging last night. Well, you guys saw what happened. I almost burned the cake. I ended up putting 4 boxes of cake mix into the pan and it was overflowing. There was cake batter all on the bottom. I really thought that the cake was not gonna work. I got really scared. I started crying off camera, and then you guys saw me crying obviously, because I want to make, like, ever since I started making her cake last year, I want it to be a thing to where I do her birthday cakes every single year. And as soon as I saw like the smoke and the smell of burnt, I was like, that's it, like I've ruined that whole idea, because I've been able to do so much and I feel like the most important part, I wasn't going to be able to do it for her, and I just felt really bad, like mom guilt or something. But it's the next day already. It's the day of her party, but I'm just going to finish this video off by showing you how I'm going to decorate her cake. So right now what I'm doing is I'm going to do what's called a frozen buttercream transfer. So what you need is a cookie sheet, preferably one of these, so when you put it in the freezer it gets colder faster, and as you're working it stays cold. What I did was I did the outline of Elmo. I colored in his eyes black and his mouth black. I stuck him in the freezer. I ran to the store to get some stuff, and right now I just filled in his nose, and I'm gonna fill in his eyeballs. I'm gonna stick it back in the freezer, and then I'm gonna like cover it in with red.